In 2012, I had the incredible fortune of seeing a paradigm shift happen in my understanding of cell biology, and one that we are already seeing ripples affect other scientists around the world. That discovery was a carbon backbone molecule that was sitting in soil and had a very unique group of oxygen compounds on the end of it that offered the opportunity for cell-cell communication. That molecule that popped out of the page of a white paper of soil science looked a heck of a lot like the chemotherapy I had been making at the University of Virginia. That was what caught my attention and my eye, because at UVA I had been studying mitochondria and their mechanisms of cell-cell communication and cell support and strengthening. It was an amazing thing to realize, oh my gosh, bacteria don't have mitochondria. Only multicellular organisms have those guys. Without mitochondria, and if they're going to have any hope of communication, they're going to have to make their own mechanism of this cell-cell communication, or redox signaling. And so we stumbled upon an amazing fact that the bacteria are capable of making some sort of oxygen exchange redox signaling environment in which they can communicate across wide varieties of environments. And so think about your own gut. pH of 7 at the mouth, pH of 3 or 4 at the stomach, extremely acidic like battery acid, and then right back to a neutral pH in the small intestines and colon. And so vastly different acidic environments, the osmolarity or the amount of water content in the environment changes as it goes to the gut, so really challenging environment. But this carbon backbone that we discovered was really critical and gave it the opportunity to carry these oxygen kind of ethereal electron carriers through the system and maintain this cell-cell communication potential. So Restore is the very first compound that brings in a bottle to the consumer a balanced family of these redox signaling molecules with these carbon backbones for stability.